Okay, guys, this is a mini tutorial how to get six pack, right? Of course, you already watched some YouTubers and they keep repeating, okay, you need to diet down because you have fat and all that stuff, and you know all that stuff, right? And then you're doing that and all that stuff. Everybody knows that, and also the exercise. Here, what I'm gonna talk about today, right? It's mostly about exercises, so it's just gonna be that. And a little bit of what I learned over the past time because I get it so wrong most of the time. So basically, the first exercise we're gonna do is sit-ups with weights because you're just doing sit-ups and doing 30, right? Eventually, you will hit a mark where it's too easy or you had to do more sits. I don't know if it was sets or repetitions. I don't know. Whichever, right? Wait, 1 second. Doing more than 30 reps than sets. Well, you're doing a lot of sets too. But what I'm trying to say is that you don't have to do a lot. What you can do is what's called 4 sets on whichever weight you can handle, because if you handle more than that you can, then you're most likely gonna hurt your back, being straight honest. And the other thing would be repetitions would be about 30. The maximum is 30 if you want to keep going maximum potential when it starts to hurt. And let me show you the setups with weights. So of course you already know how to do setups. You just need to lie down, right? But my bad. Right. Sit. Hold the weight right here. Right. You don't put it behind because for whatever reason it makes it harder and it starts to hurt your neck afterwards. You hold it and then you put it upwards, lift up, and curl down. You want to, when you're curling upwards, you want to hold it as much as possible. It's like curling, but you let it down slowly. It's almost the same thing. And it's okay if it starts hurting. I'm gonna hit it 230. Anyways, once you're done or whatever, right, you can rest about 2 minutes or 1 minute, whichever you prefer, right? Not really sure about rest time. Usually wait until 1 minute and all that stuff. But let me tell you the other exercises. That also will help you because that will help you almost uh on your upper abs, right? Only your upper abs. And if you're doing that calorie stuff, it would like start to show immediately. your abs. But the other exercise, right, that I'm gonna show is, what's it called? I don't know what's it called actually. It's like barbell sit-ups. No, not sit-ups. Something with lifting your legs. What literally I love, bro. Let me show you in this way.
Boy, you freaking twat. Your food is ready.
You don't have to tell me.
Sorry.
Boy. Damn, I'm really blind. Or you get like a pull-up bar and you start lifting with your legs. You hang out like this and then you lift it upwards. But when you go down, you want to also try to, slow down and don't try to, swing a lot, because that's the main point of your core or your abs mostly. Like, don't swing around. Just like hold it down, sort of like that. Like, do it slowly, and you can also use weights, like, one of these. You also have like weighted pat backs, or you can use a dumbbell, but I don't know how to carry with my legs, and for me I don't want to damage the floor too, so that's also a problem. Do same thing as the sit-ups, right? Do the same thing as the sit-ups, where you do like 4 sets and 30 repetition, your maximum. Yeah, sets, repetitions, yeah. And there we go. And if you want to do like strength of core, right, where you like want to have it strong, don't get it wrong, you doing abs is the same thing as doing strong, but the difference is that one, creating strength, right, in your core, it doesn't give you muscle a lot, but doing the opposite, like growing your muscles, will look good. Just trust me. It's like, how do I explain it? So basically, getting strength doesn't give you more muscles. It's like a weird way, but I don't know how to explain it, but it's pretty much kind of like that. Anyways, the last exercise would be planks. Everybody knows how to do planks. I do it mostly like 1 minute and 4 sets of it, and that's all. And afterwards, you can do what's it called, Russian twist. So you can do the side, those like those weird characters, and that's all. Pretty much that's what I do, and you can actually get 6-pack literally. I hope you guys find it useful, and all my rambling and all that stuff, even though I don't mostly know the names of the exercises. At least you have information on things to start or to continue. Well, see ya, guys.